Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you how you can fix iPhone that won't turn on. So you should try these 4 fixes before going to Apple, and it's just easy 4 steps. So the fix number 1 is just charge your iPhone. That's it. Just plug it into a charger for 30 minutes and make sure the cable and adapter are original and they work properly. And then the second fix is just force restart. Quickly press the volume up button and then volume down button and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Now for the fix number 3, just check for physical damage. Look for water damage, a cracked screen, a damaged charging port, or remove any debris from the charging port. Just make sure that your phone isn't physically damaged. And then the fix number 4 has to be using recovery mode. So what you have to do is just connect your iPhone to a computer and then open Finder, Mac, or iTunes for Windows, and then enter recovery mode and choose to update. And if none of these fixes work, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.